Good morning, comrades. Umzukisi. Comrades, man, as I did not sleep. I'm noticing something, which is a fact, that there is a hostile takeover of the organization, and it's starting in Gauteng. There is a deliberate disregard of structures of the organization, and it's starting in Gauteng. There is a deliberate undermining of the work that has been done in the organization, and it's starting in Gauteng. There is a deliberate effort of not wanting to listen to anything and everyone. A Gauteng province, why is it used to implode the organization from within? Why is it that all opportunists of any kind from all over in other provinces come to Gauteng and want to do wrong things? I'm not trying to provincialize whatever, but I'm saying that people that want to mess up, they'll just go all over and want to come to Gauteng and come and mess up. And you'll never hear people from Gauteng going to other provinces and mess up. Gauteng is an economic hub, comrades. It wants to be treated with care. We need effort from all the provinces, from nations, from everywhere. But they should be done in a proper way. There is an element of individualism. Comrades are fighting. Comrades are campaigning. Comrades are lobbying. Is that the character of a revolutionary organization? Is that the character of a revolutionary party, comrades? Why individualism? Comrades baveza makhala wabo manje. We are going towards local government. I don't want to be a councillor. I don't want to be a mayoral candidate, mina Mzogisi. I don't want to. But laba bafunayo, why do you have to show your color? Siyanibona maniyaziveza into enize emkhontweni. Others want to even leave a position where they were deployed. I don't know whether they are afraid you get chisa or babona ukuthi akunamali enough. We don't know. Comrades, please. Please. What you are doing is not good. Thina siyithandi basically. And we're not going to keep quiet, comrades. We are not going to keep quiet. You can't destroy the organization in our face. Right in our presence in Ipegeli, it's not going to happen, comrades. Need stop against Nizindo, need to stop bullets. That is not going to happen. You are destroying the organization, comrades. There are differences in organizations. We have had our own conflicts, disagreements about the strategic maneuvers of organization, disagreements about the approach, but Lenians are of being opportunistic, of being individualistic. Wherever you go, it's about you. It's about you as individuals. It's about you. They were at senior positions. It showed you that it was about them, not about building the organization. It's about them. Comrades, yegelani individualism with political organization. Yegelani lento eniyenzayo, comrades. It's wrong. Niyayibulala i-MK yethu esiyenze kanzima sisonke collectively. Please, comrades. Can we be revolutionaries for once, comrades? Let us all try by all means to aspire to be selfless. All esizame or se pretend comrades if you can't and work for the organization. Most of you are very, very visible, comrades. Niyabonakala into eniyenzayo. Ama-interest niyabonakala. Please, comrades. I'm requesting AMA members, those who love MK, those who feel that the MK must not be a football for opportunists, to please stand up for once. Can you please stand up for once and fight for Umkhonto weSizwe? Comrades, please stand up and fight for Umkhonto weSizwe. We cannot afford ukuthi silusane ne-opposition ngaphandle, silusane nama-enemies ama-enemy womkhonto ngaphandle. We've got your ANC, your DA, your IFP and others. Esazi they want a cake or a slice of Umkhonto weSizwe. Ngapha we've got our own comrades on the other hand. They want a slice from Umkhonto weSizwe for their own individual interests and for their own families. Comrades, please, we can't do this. We cannot do this. Every platform about Kibelai is for their own opportunistic reasons. Why is it like that? Stand up, comrades. This is just not on. And the very painful part, comrades, yama attempts of a hostile takeover of Umkhonto weSizwe. Ama comrades have enabled by this organization yet, financially and in terms of positional and others. They are using the very same empowerment abayinikezwa yile organization to build the organization. Weaponize against the organization, weaponize it against individuals in the organization. Why are you doing that, comrades? Don't weaponize ama-position womkhonto nemali eniyithole ngomkhonto ne-influence eniyithole through umkhonto against umkhonto or against members womkhonto. Why do you destroy the weakest among yourselves, comrades, in the organization? Why are you destroying the weakest among yourselves? Why are you are holding caucuses, meetings purely about positions? Niyenzile ngo-2024 naxosha abantu kuma-legislature. Nidestroy ama-comrades amaningi e-legislature. Nadestroy ama-comrades amaningi kuma-appointment of structures. Constantly, abantu abayi-1 benza into eyi-1 from 2024, comrades. Abantu abayi-1, they've been doing one thing consistently. Can please somebody stand up? Can you all stand up, comrades? One collective, central, has been doing into eyi-1 eGauteng. Now they've co-opted other people, other comrades, into this koyabo engcolile ebayenzayo. It's dirty, comrades. We are not going to keep quiet. I, for one, comrades, I think that something must give. Something must give. It's wrong, comrades. You are destroying what is good. Your organization is very strong. Is the government in waiting? If you are eating it from within, not a factional tendency, when you are destroying it, it means that you don't love it. And it's food in a destroyer. We are not going to allow that, comrades.